I'm showing Marina Palms 1903. Estou mostrando Marina Palms 1903, Torre Sul, South Tower. This is a very nice apartment, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Esse apartamento aqui são 2 quartos. Essa aqui é a lavanderia, the laundry. It's a half bathroom here. Actually, that's Jack and Jill. Because it's the 19th floor, you're able to see the ocean, intracoastal, lake. I have a very nice sea. As you can see here, you're able to see a little bit from the ocean here, between the buildings. You're able to see the intracoastal. You're able to see the marina. You have a lot of privacy, hurricane impact windows. All these boats here, they have a boat here cost between 5 to 10 million. It's a very expensive condominium. It's a high ceiling, you have 9-foot high ceiling. Most of the apartments, they come more or less this height. You have one extra 1-foot high ceiling. Esse aqui, ele tem um teto mais alto, como você pode ver, um teto de 9 pés. This is the master suite, essa suíte de casal, banheiro de casal. Esse aqui é o segundo quarto, that's the second bedroom here. And you're able to open, access the bathroom. It's not 2.5. It's a 2 bedrooms, 2 bath. It's a very nice layout. It's a very cute apartment. I like this layout.